So today I want to talk about the topic is the impact of the extinction on our world. So let me ask you guys a question first. So how can we save our environment from the climate change and the biodiversity loss? So I have spent 2 weeks to read some research results, and I have watched some scientist videos, and I have found that we have used the old traditional methods to save our environment, but today I want to prove that the new technology called the extinction bring back keystone species is a more powerful and efficient way to save our ecosystems. So I will talk about it in 3 aspects, and let's begin our first. So current conservation methods are too slow to stop the extinction crisis. So the researchers from the US government group, National Library of Medicine, have found that for a long time, government have tried to save animals by making laws and build a national park and signing the international treaties. But the idea is good, but it's too slow. And so to understand the scale of this problem, we must look at the official data from the IUCN. The red list shows a terrifying fact. Today, more than 28% of species are facing extinction. And also, scientists have told us that animals are dying out 1,000 to 10,000 times faster than nature rates. So why are traditional methods failing? Because our legal systems are too slow. According to reports by UNEP, creating a single protected part or passing a hunting ban often takes years of political debates. So while politicians talk, the ecosystem collapses. And in the face of rapid climate change, traditional conservation is too slow. So reviving keystone species creates a powerful positive chain reaction in nature. And in ecology, a keystone species is like the central stone in an arc. And if you remove it, the whole system falls. But if you bring it back, it's a powerful domino effect. And a domino effect, it means that the decision that you make or the things that you have done, they are all connected. And so my first example is the woolly mammoth. The woolly mammoth project by the biotech company Carsol Bioscience. Their scientists are using the CRISPR gene editing tools to replace ancient cold-resistant mammoth gene into modern ancient elephants. And their goal is to create a functional mammoth that can live in Siberia. And how does this stop climate change? The Arctic permafrost, this is the Arctic permafrost, the icy dirt and the icy rock. And it has stored the billions of the tons of greenhouse gases, and that is underground. So the thick snow acts like a blanket and trapping it and causing the frozen soil to melt. And mammoths could help by flattening snow and allowing the cold air to keep the ground frozen. And scientists estimate this could lower soil temperature by 1.9 degrees and also keep dangerous gases trapped underground. And in summer, mammoths would also help restore grasslands, and it's an albedo effect. The albedo effect means that the snows will reflect the sunlight back to the space, and it will help cool the planet. And my second example is the dire wolf. In 2025, scientists created the first functional dire wolf cubes as the top predators. They could force animals like the deer and bison to keep moving, and allowing plants and trees to regrow. And also, these plants reduce soil erosion and absorb more carbon dioxide. And the walls also prevent overgrazing and reducing dry patches and helping stop large forest fires and carbon emissions. So finally, the extinction technology is more cost-effective and creates better results in the long run. Some people often ask, isn't this technology too expensive? The answer is supported by reports from World Economic Forum is that the extinction is actually a highly efficient financial investment. And this technology creates a spillover effect. The advanced genetic tools, the artificial bones, this one, and stem cell systems, and they all developed for the extinction are already helping endangered species like the red wolf and the ferret by investing in the extinction. We also create a powerful genetic rescue platform, and that can save thousands of living species. Also, the extinction reduces the huge cost of traditional conservation. Today, government spends billions every year on planting trees and cleaning the dry brush and fighting fires. But animals like mammoth and direwolf, they can naturally manage ecosystems 24 hours a day and 7 days a week. So once these animals are successfully wild again, then nature becomes self-sustaining and greatly reducing long-term human costs. So to end my speech, bring back keystone species is a more powerful and efficient way to save our ecosystem.